Hello everyone, welcome back to the LeetCode plus TSA series. In this video, we are going to solve LeetCode number 343, number of segments of a string. In this problem, we are given a string S and we have to return the number of segments in a string. Segments means number of words. So let's implement this. First, check that S is empty or not. If the S dot size is equal to 0, that means string is empty. So we will return 0. Now initialize words variable that store the number of words. Initially it is 0. Now travel a for loop from I equal to 1. The reason I will tell you later. And then I is less than equal to s dot size and then I plus plus. Now check if the s of I is equal to space and s of I minus 1 is not equal to space. That means there are not more than one spaces. So we increment the words and at the end we will return words, and before that we will check that if the last letter of string s dot make is not equal to space. That means there is in the last there is a word. So we increment word again. Here we started loop from I equal to 1 because we are checking I minus 1. So if we start from I equal to 0, then this may be overlap in first case. So that's why we start loop from I equal to 1. So let's run this code. So now let's submit this. It is submitted. So let's do dry run of this code for hello, my name is John. In first step, our s of I, sorry, the size of string is not equal to 0. So this if condition will not run. Initially the word is 0. Now s of I starts from E. So s of in first step s of I E is E. So E is not a space, so this will skip. Now for L again skip, and this L again skip, O again skip, comma again skip, and there is a space. And the last S8 I minus 1 is comma. So words is increment from 0 to 1. Now the character is M, which is not equal to space, and Y is also not equal to space. Now there is a space, and the I minus 1 letter is not equal to space. So words again increment from 1 to 2. Now the character is N, which is not equal to space. A is also not equal to space. M is also not equal to space, and E is also not equal to space. And now there is a one space, and I minus 1 is E. So this if condition will run and words will increment from 2 to 3. Now the character is S of I is I, and here S of I is S, and here S of I will space, and S of I minus 1 is S. So this if condition will again run and words is increment from 3 to 4. Now the current S of I is J, which is not equal to space. O is also not equal to space. H is also not is equal to space, and N is also not equal to space. And this for loop will terminated here. Since S dot make is not equal to space, means last character of S is not equal to space. So word is again increment from 4 to 5. And at the end we will return words, that is 5. So this is the dry run of this code. and the time complexity of this solution is order of n, and space complexity is constant. The full solution link is in the description box, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.